Good morning, my friend. Do you have issues with the cough? Do you want to know how to solve it? First, please subscribe my channel to do not miss any further solutions. Let me know in the comment below if this hint really helps you, or what are your remedies which you can recommend. Persistent cough and bronchitis inflammation can be alleviated with the natural remedy of our ancestors. This traditional beverage can help you overcome prolonged coughing, a common issue during bacterial or viral respiratory infections. The treatment might last for weeks, causing discomfort. Act promptly at the first signs of symptoms to avoid prolonged suffering. Home remedy for treating persistent cough. Ingredients: 200 milliliters milk, 1 teaspoon butter, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 egg yolk. Instructions: 1. Boil and let the milk cool. 2. Add butter, you can include cocoa butter, and honey. 3. Mix well, add baking soda, egg yolk, and stir thoroughly. Adults can add 1 teaspoon of brandy. 4. Consume the beverage for 5 consecutive nights before bedtime. Notice improvement as early as the second morning. If you find this video helpful, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.